If you're intimidated by eyeshadow, keep watching. My name is Stephanie. I'm a licensed makeup artist and I'm going to teach you super easy makeup tips and fun eyeshadow looks. If that interests you, follow along and like this video. Always prime your eyelids for eyeshadow. I like to just use a concealer, but you can use an actual eyeshadow primer as well. This is going to give you a nice clean base to work on. It's going to cover up any darkness and it's going to help those eyeshadows really pop. I like to set with a little powder as well. Start with a large fluffy blending brush and a light matte eyeshadow. You want to start on the outer corner and just blend that back and forth in the crease. I like to do little circles to make sure there's no harsh line. Now I'm going to use a medium crease brush and a deeper matte. Pack this on to just the outer third of your eyelid. Now, if you have hooded eyes, keep them open and blend this up a little bit higher than your crease. Once that color's down, I blend lightly into the crease. Now using a small smudge brush in that same matte shade, smoke that all along the lower lash line. Now use your finger to pick up a medium shimmer shade, and you're just gonna press that right on the center of the lid. Use that small smudge brush and a light shimmer or matte to brighten up the inner eye and right under the arch of the brow. I love using the pinks and mauves for green eyes, but you can use this technique with any color combination.